wanted to give an update about my Honda Odyssey that had a check engine light and P0740 at 199,000 miles. I put in a new inline ATF filter. Here's what that filter looks like almost 8,000 miles later. You can see that it's got a lot of dark material in the filter. That filter, it's a normal white filter paper, so you can see it's collected quite a bit of junk. I had to cut this thing open, so there's a lot of black plastic, so that's not debris, but the filter itself did quite a good job. 8,000 miles ago, I put this filter in, I cleaned out all of the solenoid screens, and for the very first time I had a check engine light come on just the other day, and it was at high speeds. Traction control light came on, so I'm pretty sure that what was happening is that the torque converter wasn't locking up. And I changed the transmission fluid again. It looked fine, but I replaced this filter, obviously, and I think that's a good thing. But so far it still seems to be holding up. I've test driven it since that, and I haven't had any other problems, so I'm hoping it was just a temporary thing. I don't think that I've completely fixed my transmission, but at least it's gotten me 8,000, and I think I could probably get another 8,000 out of it. So I just wanted to give you guys an update as to how that modification worked, and it seems to be holding up okay. Just got to keep on changing the transmission fluid and I wasn't changing the filter originally, but I think I better change that filter every time I change the transmission fluid as well. And hopefully I'll be able to keep this code at bay.